children? Hope you all are fine. Now, previously we have learnt about block 1, changes in a family, S2, wedding in a family. You know that what is the difference between family? Different families comes together, takes care of each other, their responsibilities, and also husband and wife. Between two families, what is bride? What is bride? And bridegroom. Bride is woman and groom is man. Changes. How changes takes a family after a wedding. Again I repeat, how changes takes place in a family after a wedding. Today I will explain you about S3, birth of a child. Birth of a child is the child born. Now I will ask you few questions. Are you ready? Yes. Now, children, do you have younger brother or sister? Yes or no? Second question, how old he or she is? Maybe 1 month, 3 months, or 1 year or 2 years. Third question, how do you feel when he or she was born? Why? It brings happiness in a family, changes in a family, adds a new member in a family. Picture. Open your reader, children. Page number 12. You can see this picture, children. This small baby, they are taking shower of their relatives. Just see, children. A family with a baby. You must be having some videos or photographs of your own childhood, small babies. I think so. With the help of your parents, you can. They will help you. They will show you your photographs or your brother or sisters, small babies photograph or videos. You can see that. Now open your workbook S3 page 11. Children, keep this book open only and reader also. Now I will read one story. Read the story and answer the question below. Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine. Now, previously we have learned about wedding in a family. That is block 1, changes in a family. S2, wedding in a family. Now, you know that what is wedding in a family. Open your workbook, children. S3, birth of a child. Read the story and answer the question. Swati is very excited. Her mother is just back from the hospital with her new baby sister. She rushes to greet them. Mama hugs her and asks, "Will you help me in taking care of your little sister?" Swati says, "Of course I will." Mama is tired and sleepy all the time because the baby keeps her awake most nights. Papa gets Swati ready for school while Grandma packs her tiffin. Sometimes Papa has to help with her homework because Mama is busy with her sister. Swati tries not to trouble Mama and cleans her room on her own. Every weekend, Swati spreads out the mat and gets the oil for her sister's massage. She sits and watches carefully what Grandma does. Did you do all this for me too when I was a baby, Grandma? She asked one day. Yes, you were just as tiny as your younger sister when I used to massage you, said Grandma. Swati now goes to the park with Grandpa. She misses Mama's bedtime stories the most. Swati wishes that her sister grows up faster so that they can play together and listen to Mama's bedtime stories as before. Now in this story, Swati and how her family changes after a baby was born. Now, in short, I will explain you. In this story, Swati is very excited because her mother came back from the hospital with her new baby sister. As soon as Swati saw her mother, she ran and greeted her and hugged her. Mother asked Swati that, will you help me in taking care of your little sister? Of course, I will. Mama is tired and sleepy all the time because the baby keeps her awake most nights. Swati's mother helps her in getting ready for school while grandmother packs her tiffin. Sometimes his father helps with his homework, because her mother is busy with her sister, looking after the sister. Swati tries not to trouble her mother. She is such a good girl. She is class board and cleans her room on her own. Goes to park with his grandpa. She misses Mama's bedtime stories. Swati wishes that her sister grows up faster so that they can play together and listen to Mama's bedtime stories as before. Open your workbook, page 11. Question 1. How has the role of other family members changed after the birth of Swati's sister? Answer. First point, the work and responsibility of everyone in the family has increased. Second, now Papa gets Swati ready for school, helps with her homework. Third point, Grandma gets one of the baby by massaging her and Grandpa takes Swati to the park. Question 2. What kind of changes took place in your family after the birth of a child? Answer. First point, the responsibilities of all family members increased. Second point, all wanted to spend time with the baby. Now I will ask you a few questions from this related to this story only. Question 1. Was Swati happened when her sister was born? Was Swati happy when her sister was born? Yes. Question 2. What did she do for her baby sister? She helps her mother by spreading mat and keeping oil for her sister's massage. Just see this word there. Birth of a child in this changes the daily work of the family. Now, as soon as baby borns, naturally our work also will change. Next, adds a family member. One family is added, then both of the family members change. Whatever the routine work, whatever the work, that also will change. Now, increase the responsibility of parents and grandparents. What is sibling? Start. What is sibling here? Sibling means brother or sister. In a family. Number 12. Changes in a family after the birth of a child. Nina is very excited. She has a baby brother now because her mother just had a baby. Everyone in the house is busy looking after the newborn baby. Her grandmother too has come to live with them to help her mother. The birth of a child brings about a change in a family. A new member is added to the family. The responsibility of the elder in the house increases. Sometimes the responsibility of the young members in the house also increases. The daily routine of the family changes to take care of the needs of the baby.